I'm ranking YouTube videos, and here's how. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, this ain't even planned. I just was going through some of my videos, checking my stuff out on YouTube, and I just put up a video talking about a software that I use to help me rank YouTube videos called Traffic Xtractor. And I just wanted to show you, I just put up a video 13 hours ago, and I'm going to show you some results right now. Alright guys, as you can see, this is a keyword that I actually found in Traffic Xtractor software. If you look, you see network marketing success. Now if you look at this page, this is page 1, right? You look, scroll down, let's see, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, and look who's number 5. Yep, looks familiar. You can check my YouTube homepage. You see it's right there. But guys, right now you see it's only 0 views right now. But it's only been 13 hours. And keep in mind, this is one of them keywords that the software helps you find. That can actually, people will be searching for years and years to come. So believe me, they will not stay at 0 views, especially when people just getting into network marketing and trying to look for tips and how to be successful. Oh, they gonna see this video. Oh, they gonna see it. Guys, there you have it. Just a quick video showing you the software. It works. It's real. I'm ranking videos. And like I said, it helps you find keywords that you can, go after, not some of the keywords that are so competitive that you won't rank, nowhere near in the first few pages, but they give you keywords that you can get traffic over time. Now, keeping it real, you can find keywords that's getting with a lot of competition. And if you feeling like you can beat that competition, then go for it. You know what I mean? Do what you got to do to rank your videos, get those backlinks, do what you got to do, share and whatever. But just showing you guys, how you can rank videos, especially if you're just getting into affiliate marketing or you got your own business, your own product you're trying to promote. Link in the description, guys, if you want to check this software out. It's only 37 bucks. A one-time cost. It's well worth it. I got it over a year ago, and obviously I'm still using it. So be sure to check that out, guys. If you have any comments, questions, leave them below. Be sure to subscribe to this channel. You see I'm on here dropping that content. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1. If you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2. If you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.